For this activity, it says, with a partner, take turns rolling a dice. It says a six-sided dice, but a dice, and covering friends of 10. For example, if 6 is rolled, cover the number 4 because 6 plus 4 makes 10. The first person to cover 5 squares in a row wins the game. So if I rolled the die and I got 6 and I wanted to cover 4, I'm going to pick just one 4 to cover. I don't get to cover them all. I'm picking one. And then if I roll my die again and I get 1, hey, what do you know? 9 and 1 make 10. So I would cover this one because my goal is to get 5 in a row. So you want to try to get 5 in a row of friends of 10. Okay? So remember, if I roll the dice, 2 plus blank equals 10. Yep, 2 plus 8. So if I roll a 2, I'm going to cover an 8. Make sure you watch your partner because you want to make sure that they get it right. They don't get a freebie. Make sure that they have friends of 10. The first person to cover 5 in a row wins the game. And then you're done.